Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wealthsimple Crypto. Review my usage experience. Wealthsimple Crypto Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for buying, selling, and holding various cryptocurrencies. It's aimed at individuals looking for a relatively easy and secure way to invest in crypto, potentially with less technical expertise than those using exchanges directly. Key features seem to include a user-friendly interface and potentially integrated educational resources. Their website provides details on supported cryptocurrencies and fees. Wealthsimple Crypto positions itself as a user-friendly platform, emphasizing ease of use and security. They highlight their straightforward pricing structure. No hidden fees are mentioned on their site. They don't appear to boast cutting-edge technology, focusing instead on a simple, secure experience. Availability is across Canada, though specific details are on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wealthsimple Crypto. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick and straightforward, requiring only basic personal information. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I easily found what I needed. I bought some Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the transactions processed smoothly, though not instantaneously. It took a couple of minutes for each transaction to reflect in my balance. The dashboard provides a clear overview of my holdings and their value, which I really appreciated. I had a quick question about a pending transaction, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how clean and intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of buying and selling. It felt far simpler than using a traditional exchange. One minor drawback was the slightly limited number of cryptocurrencies available compared to some larger exchanges. It also felt a little slow to update the current prices on occasion. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wealthsimple Crypto. It's a great option for beginners or those who prioritize ease of use and security over a massive selection of cryptocurrencies. That's my overview of Wealthsimple Crypto. Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.